let's get this bad boy opened. Already done that, and then decided to make this video. Hence, why I'm doing this. Like, my mate told me that his one has arrived damaged, so I'm hoping it doesn't. And also, if it is damaged, I can just mess the club and say, sort it out. Right, so, how do you get in this? This is such a strange design. How am I meant to get in here? Ah, okay. Let's try this. So satisfying. Right, okay. Oh, that looks good. That looks good. To be fair, a lot of my mates haven't had theirs arrive damaged. So, go away, Captain. The box can go away at this point, I think. That is firewood. Official Everton Football Club merchandise for £100. Oh, that looks nice. Let's have a look. Oh. That looks nice. So this is my seat. Now, it's my seat, but I should point out that I actually stood in front of 72 for a very long time because me and my mates just moved over. I think I had the seat for about 14 years or something. But we always, I think I sat in it for about 2 seasons and then we all swapped around. But this was officially my seat for so long. I sat in it now and again. Anyone to give me a ticket to? Sat in it too, but anyway, here we go. I love this art. Look at the back. I've got, before I open this box, I really want to look at the back. That is nice. Official Everton Football Club merchandise. This is my part of Goodison, you know. Okay, I could have swapped my mate who sat in 72 and we'll swapped up, but it doesn't really matter. You'll understand why I picked this seat in a minute. And we all miss you. We all miss you, Goodison Park. That's why I go to the ladies' games, but I'm not in my seat anymore. Right, let's have a go. Here we go. Oh, nice, nice. Oh my god, it comes out. I did not expect this to just fly out. That's actually really cool, to be honest with you. Right, I'm taking this off the tripod. That's flimsy as hell, that, I'll be honest with you. That's poor, that. Expected like a screen in front of it or something. That's just been lobbed in. It's not damaged, but it's a bit flimsy. Why is there not one each side? Typical Everton fashion. No, that should look more the part. I'll have to sort that. But anyway, the seat has been a witness to history for 133 years. Oh, there's the blue from that game and all the fans around. That's quite nice. It does make me think that who else has sat in my seat that I generally stood in front of, to be fair. Or, to be more precise, stood near. But yeah, the number will give away why I initially picked that. And I don't feel bad because Ajak bought a house, probably because the number was the same. Funny, aren't we? There you go. It's so weird the way it just falls out. What am I meant to just have that on my wall like that? Right, there are some practical issues with this. It's nice to see both sides of my seat. The box is gorgeous. That's typically an Everton fashion shit show, but yeah, there we go. There's the unboxing of my seat. Yeah. I do love you, Everton. Yeah. I love you, Everton. I do. I love you, Everton. I do. Love you, Everton. I do. Oh, Everton, I love you. Focus.